what's the number one thing a borrower needs to do when they're looking at doing a construction loan?
They need to get pre-qualified. That is the very first thing they need to do. And part of that pre-qualification, the reason that it differs on a construction loan than it would on any other loan, you're still going to do credit. You're still going to talk about income. You're still going to talk about assets. But in many cases, what a borrower really wants to know is, hey, I own my home now. Do I have to sell it before I can build my house? When do I sell my house? How does that flow? Do they have their own piece of land that they own currently, or are they buying a piece of land? And if that land is in a development, that might be different than if that land is what we call a scattered lot or stands on its own. So that pre-qualification conversation with a loan officer like you, Bruce, is so very important because it helps people to know not only are they credit and income qualified, but how is this going to flow for their lives, right? Like, where do I have to sell my house first? If I have to sell my house first to use the money out of that house to put down on my new house, where am I going to live?
Exactly.
Or can I qualify holding my current house and then sell it sometime in the process? And then maybe I start out with a higher construction loan, but when I go to modify my loan, I'll have my house sold. I'll have a little bit of extra money in my pocket. I can pay my loan down then.